So we have John Gambone in from the great state of South Carolina. He just completed the Detail Czar Certified Detailer Licensee Private Training Program. He was here all weekend. John, what part of South Carolina are you from?
Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Myrtle Beach. Beautiful down there. A lot of business opportunity down there for you.
Yes, there is.
A lot of nice cars. A lot of good weather.
Cars, boats, and RVs.
Yeah. So what do you think of Friday's business and marketing class?
I thought it was great. I didn't realize how important it was, or actually how to do leads, how to get your Facebook ads boosted. I thought it was great, and
Google pay-per-click,
Google everything,
upselling, cross-selling,
Yes.
customer acquisition,
It was
cost
amazing.
and profit analysis. So you enjoyed that
Yes,
day?
sir. That
You
was the
felt that
best
it's going to
part.
help your business?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yep.
Excellent. Now Saturday, which was yesterday, that was the contact wash training, engine cleaning and degreasing, paint correction, paint polishing, ceramic coating on the paint, the glass, the wheels, the trim, even dyed some trim too. What do you think of that amazing day?
I thought it was great. I didn't know how to do paint correction, and that was a big thing. I was scared of the buffer and how to
Sure.
use it properly. And now it's I'm comfortable. And
You
I feel
used all the
confident.
Ruby's tools.
Yes, I used all the Ruby's tools, and it was comfortable. I finally feel confident enough to do it.
Built your confidence up.
Yes.
Excellent.
I really enjoyed the dyeing. I thought that's something that we
Trim
run into
restoration.
a lot. The trim restoration.
Yeah, this is the car that you and the other student, and she had to leave, worked on yesterday, this Honda Pilot. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. We just increased the value probably by $5,000. So I'm sure the dealer will be happy.
Yeah.
Say hi, guys.
That's
Colin.
crew over there. They were great.
Cole and Chris, great crew. Chase yesterday.
Yep, awesome.
So today, Sunday, it's now about a little after 3 o'clock. What did you think of the interior cleaning, detailing, and coating training today?
It was good. I learned that I was doing more steps instead of taking one thing at a time, and it kind of was a lot faster doing one step at a time instead of trying to do it all, because I
Sure.
usually go back and clean again and vacuum again and do all the things a little bit
She
too
got the
much.
order down in the
Yes.
process.
Yes, the process.
Which in business, process and systems are so important.
Yes.
And of course, you did the headlight restoration
Yeah,
too.
that
I
was
mean, that
great.
came out amazing. Look at that. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Great
And
job.
I did not know how to do that, and now I feel good doing it. I was
Yeah.
buying the cheap kits at,
Right.
auto parts.
At auto parts, right.
But now I know how to professionally do it.
Especially
I think
do it
it'll
and
be a
make
great-
$150 a pair.
Absolutely.
So, John, you are now Detail Czar certified. Congratulations. You are a
Thank
great student.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Appreciate your business. Appreciate the opportunity to mentor you moving forward.
Thank you.
Thank
That's
you.
great.
Bye-bye.